Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a video that I've seen going around TikTok quite a bit, and I think it's really fun. I wanted to hop on the trend because I just realized that I love these kinds of videos because not everything that you use has to be or look aesthetically pleasing in your bathroom, in your cabinets. Like sometimes unaesthetic things just work, and that's okay that they don't look pretty and pink and cute. So I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite unaesthetic products that I swear by. It's also known as unsexy because they don't really look, sexy to the eye. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started because I have a few products that I want to talk about. Okay, first I just want to mention Purell hand sanitizer. I know it's really trendy to have the spray one or even the ones from Bath & Body Works, but sometimes scented hand sanitizers are off-putting to me, especially the ones from Bath & Body Works. I just cannot with those scents. So just plain old alcohol smelling Purell is good for me, and I feel like it works the best, to be completely honest. I just get this little travel one at Target. I keep one in my purse, in my car, because you just never know. So yeah, hands down to Purell. Good old-fashioned, just basic hand sanitizer. I'm obsessed. Okay, so next up are some of my hair products that I use. So this is Nizoral. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's anti-dandruff shampoo, and as you can tell, it's not very nice looking. It looks kind of boring, but it's okay because it works really well. I've struggled with dandruff pretty much my entire adult life. I started getting it after I graduated high school. That's when I noticed it. I think it's hereditary. My dad has it, so I'm just lucky enough to also have it. So in order to treat it, I've tried a ton of different dandruff shampoos, but for some reason this one has been the one that has really stuck and helped my dandruff really kind of go away. I use this about once a week. I don't use this every single time, and it's just a really good product. I just love it. So up next is my favorite hair gel. As you can see, not very sexy, not very aesthetic looking, but this is the best hair gel at the drugstore. I'm not even kidding you. I've tried the Day styling cream, and that is good, but there's really no hold, and I really need a hold when I'm slicking my hair back, and this does it for me. I got this a few years ago, and it's still going strong. A little goes a long way. I just wet my hair a little bit, put some of this on, and then I slick it back again. Another unsexy product with this brush that I literally, you guys, I got this at the Dollar Tree, probably back before it was $1.25. So I literally paid $1 for this brush. It's one of those bristle type of brushes, and it's done me so well over the years. 10 out of 10 right here. This will give you the sleekest slick back hairstyle you'll ever see. Okay, so moving on to more body care. My unaesthetic, unsexy favorite is this Lubriderm lotion. I do also have the big one, but I didn't want to lug that over here, so I just am here to show you the little one. This is the best body lotion I have ever tried. I've tried many, but I don't have a ton of skin issues or sensitivities. I just really like this because it's lightweight, it's thin, and it doesn't make your skin feel greasy, so that's why I enjoy it. It also doesn't have a scent, and my fiance also really likes it, so this is one of our favorites. Another tried and true product that I love that is not aesthetic is my foot cream. I literally never thought I'd be sharing about this, but I have been using this for, I want to say 6-7 years, maybe 8 years. It's been a long time I've been using this product. I don't know how I came across it. I think I was just looking for a good foot cream, and then this one just popped up in my recommendations, and I got it, and ever since then I've just been using it. So this helps my feet from getting all dry and cracked during cold months, and then in the summer months it's extra helpful, especially when you pair it with a one of those foot scrubs, specifically the purple one from Sally's Beauty Supply. I'll put a picture of it here. This combination of the two is chef's kiss. It is so good. Your feet will not be dry or cracked or anything like that if you use this product. I literally put this on every night after I take a shower, and my feet are not gross and cracked the next day. So 10 out of 10 would recommend this. I don't know, again, how I came across this, but yeah, it's great. All right, next up is my men's razor. I have used all kinds of razors in my life. Girl razors, fancy razors, disposable razors, reusable razors. Like, I've used it all, okay? I've tried it all, I've used it all. But this combination right here is just elite. This is, I hadn't tried men's razors until I tried this one, and I am never going back, okay? So essentially, you buy the body of the razor. It's a little dirty because like it was in my shower, but you buy the body of the razor and then you purchase the cartridges separately so that when one gets dull, you just replace it. And I have never gotten a more closer shave than I have when I use this razor. It also has like some weight, so it feels like really good quality. And you buy the cartridges at Target and they just come in this little pack. All you do, you stick it in there. Done. You have a new razor ready to go. I just think men's razors work so much better than women's razors. Okay, that's just me. Okay, the last couple of things are for your face. So I love to use this different gel as a retinol sort of cream that I put all over my face. I do also use it to spot treat, but not that much. I don't use this every day. I use this maybe like once a week. Obviously, I need to get a new one because this one's running out. But yeah, you can get this at like any drugstore. And if you are trying to get into using retinols in your face, I think that this is a good beginner product. This is kind of what I've started using, and this is all I've ever used, and I think it works really great. So if you are in the market, I suggest trying this one. It also has really, really good reviews, and a lot of dermatologists do recommend it. So love this. Again, not aesthetic, but it works. Okay, and then the last thing, oh, it's a little wet because it was in my shower, is the Panoxyl Acne Foaming Wash with 10% benzoyl peroxide. I mostly use this as a back wash because I do sometimes struggle with back acne. It's not as bad as it was like a few years ago, but I've noticed that when I do use this, it does help with the breakouts. I think the thing that gives me breakouts is my conditioner. So if you notice that you're getting back acne, consider how you put your conditioner on when you're in the shower. So like if you just put it on and you just let your hair like be like this while you're doing other things and you're letting it sit, that causes back acne. And I noticed that right away when I was getting really, really gross like whiteheads, and I could not figure out why. And then it dawned on me like maybe that's what it was, because conditioner does have a lot of oils because it's meant to, you know, hydrate your hair. See if that's something that you might want to change. I now started putting on conditioner like to the side, and then I immediately put my hair up so that my hair doesn't touch my back. And then when I wash it out, I kind of flip my head over and I wash it, I rinse it, and then I don't let my hair touch my back. I immediately get out of this. It's like the very last thing I do. I get out of the shower, put a towel on my head, and that's it. So I have tried my very best to minimize the amount of acne that I get, but of course it still happens. I don't know. I think it's just like sweat and stuff. So this really helps with a back scrubber that I got on Amazon, and I just leave it on for a couple minutes and it works great. So yeah, that is everything that I wanted to mention in this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Please let me know down in the comments what unaesthetic or unsexy product you love that works well for you, because obviously like that's really why we buy products, right? Because we want them to work. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And also before we go, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll have it linked here, or I'll have my username here, and then I'll also have it linked down below. All the products I mentioned will also be linked down below in case you want to check anything out. And yeah, without further ado, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.